everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the November 2023 HipKits. Today you can watch me creating another Christmas themed layout using the papers and embellishments included in the November kits. And I also use some metal dies. I haven't received the November metal dies yet, but I found some similar dies in my stash, which I use instead of the November 2023 Spruce and Holly die set. I cut some leaves, twigs and berries from white cardstock, and then I color these die cuts using the ink pads and blending brushes. I start with the Catherine Pooler Skyline ink pad from the November color kit. For the other leaves I use green ink pads from my stash because I don't want to use the same color for all the leaves and twigs. Finally, I color the berries using the Catherine Pooler Do-Si-Do ink pad, also included in the November color kit. can see the colored leaves and berries. Now I cut the February 2023 slimline lattice background twice from white cardstock, back it with pieces of the Hipkit Club exclusive Feeling Jolly Holly Jolly paper and glue it on my layout. Then I arrange the leaves and berries and adhere them. frame my photo using a chipboard frame from the Feeling Jolly chipboard die cuts pack, which is included in the November embellishment kit. I choose some ornament and floral stickers from the Feeling Jolly sticker book, also included in the November embellishment kit, glue them on white cardstock and cut them out. For my title, I choose a word die cut from the Feeling Jolly ephemera pack, which you can find in the November main kit, cut out the banner and place it on my page. Now I add a piece of the red pom-pom trim to the bottom of the chipboard frame. Then I pick out a tag and 2 candy cane die cuts, which I add to my title banner. I want the banner to stand out, so I glue it on white cardstock and cut it out, leaving a white border. Now I want to create a banner with my framed photo, the ornament stickers, the tag and some chipboard die cuts, so I pierce holes in the die cuts and add a piece of red twine. I attach the ends of the twine with a stapler. I continue embellishing my layout with some puffy stickers, which are included in the November embellishment kit. I add a puffy phrase sticker from the November main kit to one of the floral stickers and place it on the leaves on top of the page. Then I place another floral sticker on the right side of the tag. Finally, I add some stars from the Feeling Jolly ephemera pack, which is included in the November main kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.